Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. So in the previous tutorial we implemented Thompson sampling from scratch, and now time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see if Thompson sampling can beat UCB. So in fact, we are ready to execute this code section here and find out about the final result. So let's remember, the random selection gave us a total reward of 1,200 on average. The UCB algorithm gave us a total reward of 2,178, and now let's see if Thompson sampling can beat that. So right now let's go to Variable Explorer to prepare what we're about to find out, with all the results, the total reward and the different ads that were selected. And now let's select everything from here to the top, because we haven't imported the libraries, we haven't imported the dataset. So we will execute everything all in once to immediately get this final result that we're so excited to find out about. So ready? I'm going to press Command plus Enter to execute, and let's see who is the big winner. Here we go. And it turns out to be Thompson sampling, because we got a total reward of 2,613. So we have some random factors, so let's not scream victory yet. We're going to execute that again to see the new total reward. Well, we get 2,600 almost. Let's do that again. 2,605. We can do that again, and basically it's averaging around 2,600. So yes, definitely it's beating the upper confidence bound algorithm. And by the way, remember that with the UCB algorithm we almost doubled the total reward of the random selection algorithm. But now with Thompson sampling, we're not only beating the UCB algorithm, but also we're doing better than doubling the random selection total reward, because we get this 2,600 total reward on average, which is more than the double of 1,200. That was the total reward of the random selection algorithm on average. So great, definitely Thompson sampling is the big winner. And now we have a last thing to check. Remember, we need to check that Thompson sampling also gives us the best ad that has the highest conversion rate, on which the users of the social network would click the most. And so we need to make sure that it's also the ad version number 5, which was the ad version found by the UCB algorithm. And to check that out very efficiently, we can select this code section here and execute to look at the histogram. And here we go. We also get that the ad version that was most selected is ad version number 5. And by the way, in UCB we had some higher bars here if I remember correctly, but here with Thompson sampling we can clearly see that this was this ad version number 5 here that was most selected. This bar here corresponding to the ad version number 5 is clearly dominating the other bars. And that's because Thompson sampling quickly figured out which ad is the best to select. That is, it quickly figured out which ad has the best click-through rate. And so now we can congratulate ourselves, because we clearly solved very efficiently this click-through rate optimization problem. And the best algorithm that we found for this is Thompson sampling. Alright, so congratulations for having implemented these two algorithms, UCB and Thompson sampling. That's the end of this section, and that's also the end of this part, reinforcement learning. So I look forward to seeing you in the next part, natural language processing. Until then, enjoy machine learning!